Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your browser application. It can be Google Chrome or maybe Safari browser, and then in the search bar you need to type facebook.com and then go button. After that you need to log in into your account, or you can be already logged in. So after that, in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on the 3 lines button, here it is, and then you need to click on the view your profile button under your profile name, right up here. After that you will see your profile. You need to click on the little photo icon near to your profile image. Here it is, and then you will see this little window. You need to click on the third option, upload photo, and then click on the photo library. After that you need to choose your favorite photo. For example, I will choose this one, and then at the top right corner click on the done button. Then click on the update button. After that you will see uploading profile photo message. And after a few seconds you can update this page, and after that, as you can see, your profile photo will be updated. So you need to click on that one photo again, and then click on the last option, see profile picture, and then as you can see, your profile opened without cropping. So, and that's all, and that's how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.